welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to give you an update on the Cutlass, how it's coming along. It's not done, but let's check it out. So there's a little update on what it looks like. Cut and buff process is still in the works, so it's not done, but my buddy's had a couple of family members pass away, close people at that. So I totally understand. We just gotta be patient, takes time, and it's coming along. Now, yesterday came by and painted a few parts, some of the stuff missing. I'll show you what he did. Let's go check it out. All right, so we're in the shop now in the garage. And the hood, here's the hood. It's covered up, but I think that one's pretty much done. We just got to put it on. Here's the back bumper. I see a little bit of trash, but hey guys, we don't have a paint booth. It's just here in the garage. Here's the rest of the back right here, the rear. I think they look pretty good. And then here's the other stuff that he painted, not we, he. Here's the hinges to the door, some new ones that I ordered from original parts because some of my doors have been sagging for a while, so we'll eventually get to that. That's not gonna be put on like tomorrow or anything like that, but I wanted them painted just to have them aside. Here's these pieces from the rear. Front lights, the bezels I think, or whatever they're called. And then look at that. Looks pretty good. A few other pieces that go in the window door area. And then he had an idea. I was asking about the rear lights because, well, they have chrome also and all that. So I was asking him about it. I didn't want it all to be black because everything's gonna be black. And the back was gonna have that chrome and then all the rest. So he thought about, he scuffed them down, he painted them. Where the lens goes, he thinned the paint out quite a bit where it just shoots. It's like he was smoking the lens. And it's still see-through. He put the light and you can still see the red underneath. So he said it would work. We're gonna try it out. If it doesn't, if it's too dark, then we'll just take that little area off, that paint, it's thin paint. Whatever, we're just gonna try it, but he thinks it'll work. So this is what we did, or he did. Keep saying we. So, see, he just thinned it out so they look dark, but when you put the light to it, let me see if I can get some light on it with my phone. Maybe we can see it. I don't know if you can see that. You can still see the red. You see the red underneath, but if you take the light off, it looks just smoked like black. I think that's pretty cool. He said it'd work. Of course, he's the painter. He knows how things work. What works doesn't work, right? So I trust him. It's gonna look cool. Here's the back. He did the same thing. See, he shot this section here, but where the lens is, he did the same thing. You can still see through it, but he just smoked it with paint. He just thinned it out. It looks sharp. Now I do want it, of course, to be legal and that you can see enough through the lens that you can see when I'm braking or signal lights or reverse. Very important to me. So I don't know if anybody's done this before of you guys. If y'all have tried it, let me know if it worked. I think it will. You can see through it we'll check it out. If it doesn't work, like I said, we'll clean up the lens back to what it was, but I think it's gonna look neat. So there's the parts right there. Everything's good to go. We are excited about this project. This car, if you've seen any of my videos, I've had it since I was 15 years old and I'm in my 40s now. My mom and my dad bought this car for me when I was a kid, and my dad and I did a lot of work to it, so this car means so much to me. My dad recently passed away. He wanted to see it painted. He didn't get to, but we're almost there. And man, I know he'd be proud of what it looks like, how it's coming along. And this car is going nowhere. We're just gonna take it, put it together, take it to some shows for fun. It's not a show car. It's not a show car. I just take it to have fun. I meet cool people at the car shows, and just people appreciate things you've done to the car, and it's pretty neat. So just wanted everybody to see what we're doing. The idea about the lenses, I think it's a good idea. We're gonna check it out. Like I said, the hood is ready to go. I'm gonna go get the car back in. It looks like it's gonna storm, not sure, but I gotta move some things around in here. Thank you so much for the support. Everybody that supports the channel. I appreciate you guys, all the comments, questions, everything. Appreciate all of you, and we'll see you on the next one, hopefully. The next video, hopefully, is put back together. Oh, I'm excited about that. Hopefully it is. So appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Man, I just love my car. Yeah, it needs a new one up here, but it's coming along. It looks all tore up, but check this out. Man, these gauges are just amazing. Oh man, I love this car. Woo! Nice, I like it. Gets my blood pumping. I know some of you guys understand. Here. Maybe like shit, I can see myself in this. Let's do maybe like this. My doors have been sagging for a while, so we'll eventually get to that. That's not gonna